A magnitude 4.1 earthquake was recorded in the hills east of the Alum Rock neighborhood of San Jose at 5:53 p.m. Monday, according to the U.S. Geological Survey in Menlo Park. An initial report placed the magnitude at 4.4, but that was scaled back just minutes later. Residents from San Francisco to Monterey and east to San Ramon reported feeling it. First thing I do when I think I feel an earthquake is jump on Twitter to make sure I'm not crazy. Happy to know I'm not.